What's good, Hi-Lux fans? It's been 5 years since I rolled my car, and I am determined to get this thing back on the road. So like, subscribe, and hopefully, in the end, we'll go sideways again together. So I've come out for a bit of a ride this morning, and there's a mud hole over there that nobody's game to try. So I've got the new tires on there and got plenty of lift, and I'll show you this mud hole and then we're gonna hit it. Here's the mud holes, people. Two to choose from. That one's got a bit of a curve on it. Let's have a look at it. It's pretty muddy. Here's a stick. Oh, look at me in my socks. This is great. I've just measured it and the mud comes up to about there. So the diff's got to be pretty close to hitting the ground. Let's have a look at this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's just between the toes. Oh yeah, it's a bit deeper. The worst part's going to be just here. This looks like the deep spot.
Guys, if you're watching, subscribe to Scotty's YouTube channel. A lot of the proceeds go to the children's hospital. That was a lie, I apologise. Fucking piece of piss, mate. I think this one's super deep. So easy, the mud pig loves it. Doing himself a little celebration doughy. Soldier.
Yeah, that was sick. The mighty Hilux didn't let me down, and I think I might do a few more videos like that one. It's still got to be a channel for the L67 swap that I'm doing to this, but I think I might intertwine a few more.